Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create a virtual tour using Google Earth and PhotoBucket. And the first thing to do is to create an account with PhotoBucket, and then you get to this screen where you can upload your images which you would have taken by yourself, or if you don't have a digital camera you can always look for them on Google Images. So first of all you have to upload the images. And a little tip here is if you hold down Control you can select as many as you want at once. So while that's uploading, I'll just talk a bit about video. And YouTube works in the same principles as a PhotoBucket. You're basically trying to upload clips, find the HTML code which they supply, and copy and paste it into Google Earth. So once you've created an account, you can just go to Upload here. So I think our photos are ready, and you just go down to Save and Get Links here. And what we're interested in is the HTML code. So if we go to Google Earth now, I'll find the Red Cow Roundabout first of all. Okay, and importantly, before you start, you want to go down to Places and add a folder, which is going to be maybe whatever, Project 1 we'll call it. And then from that you need to right click on Project 1, add a new folder, we'll call it Photos or Images, whatever you want. And then we go back to Project 1 if you want to add maybe video, and we'll call that Video. And again, say you wanted to add even more, like polygons, you just keep adding folders, but it's important that they're all together under the project. Okay, so we're going to select a view which we want to save, make it a bit more interesting. Add a place mark, give it a name, and you can change the icon, put a little camera there. Okay, now we're going to copy and paste the code over from PhotoBucket. So you just highlight it and then paste it in. And underneath, if you want to write some text, so you just type it in underneath. So let's see if that works now. There we go. So it's quite simple. Now to add another one, you go back to Photos, find another place of interest, so I think we'll go for IKEA. Which is here. And if you're looking just out of interest, there's the history view there. And if I go all the way back here, it shows you the progress. So it was a greenfield site. If you're looking at land use, up to how it looks currently. So again, you're going to turn this a way you like, and we'll add another place mark. And we'll copy and paste this code over. And obviously you can add text if you want. That's it. Now I forgot to snapshot that view, so and actually give it a name. So hold on a minute, I can right click on it, go to Properties, IKEA Dublin, and that view is fine, so you go to view and snapshot current view, press OK, and it's found its way up here, so we'll move it, drag it down, put it in our photos. So the two of them are together now. So now we're moving on to how to create a tour of that. Just turn all that off. And you have to make sure your options are correct here. So you go into Tools, Options, Touring, and Show Balloon when waiting at features. That means it's going to open. And you have to make sure you wait at the feature long enough for the photo to load up. So I'd say at least 10 seconds. And also here, time between features, that'll tell you how quickly you're going to tour. And when recording a tour, I would go for the highest quality. And also on 3D view, I would go for terrain quality on highest, if you can, and just apply that. Okay, so now we're going to see if we can run a tour of this. And if you just close up the photo images under the file there, and right click on photos, go to add, and down to tour. And the trick is to press the tour button here, and then hit record down here. And obviously you can decide how long you want the picture to be open for, depending on if there's information to read. And then we're going to fly over to IKEA. Just remember, you can't record tours like this if you have video in them, because obviously it wouldn't wait long enough for the video to be watched. So we just hit the red button to stop that again, and then it starts playing itself. We're just going to pause that, and we can give it a name if you click there. So we'll just call it Tour 1, and then it goes into the places down here under your project. And from there you have a choice of saving it as a KML, which you can then kind of email, or you can just directly email it from here.